Okay, let's create flower stem. Okay, so we need 3 balloons here. 2 balloons with almost the same size like this. And 1 balloon for the stem. This is the stem. Now, first things first, you need to create 4 petals using this color. Okay, create 5-inch loop. Like this. Okay. And create the same thing. Just like that. Create the same thing. And also the same thing. Just like that. So we have 4 petals here. Okay? Remember that this is the 4 petal flower with 4 petals. Okay, now let's create another 4 petals using this color. Okay, now create a loop. Approximate 4 inches allowance. Create another one. Create another one. Create another one. Wrap it around. And we have 4 petals here. Put it together. These 2 flowers. Put it all together just like this. Now we created 8 petals here with 2 different colors, just like that. Now we need the stem. Okay, we need the stem. First, create a 1-inch bubble here. Put it here. Just like that. So that's it. Now create leaves. Create a loop. Any size will do. Just like that. So we have an instant flower with stem. Just like that. Thank you.